Let me out, Dad. See you, there's a little hole.
If you misbehave again, that'll be in your house, alright?
It's comfy in here.
Comfy. Caesar, he's nicked your house,
Stop
mate.
it, Dad.
He's nicked your house, man.
Go on.
Fetch him. Fetch him. Find Liam. Find Liam. Go on, find Liam. Liam, what are you doing, mate?
Dad, these are the school.
Yes, Liam.
Hi, Dad.
Get out now.
No.
Get out.
He's going to put it on
Come
Facebook.
on, get out. Otherwise, it's going on Facebook.
I'm gonna go on Facebook anyway.
He's got the dog foot.
You've got the weirdest brother in the world, man.
In this video,
No.
It is as well.
No, it
What
isn't.
is?
It's not video recorder.
It's not video.
It's actually a picture.
How can you tell? You can't tell by looking at that. Look. Yes, hello, Chloe. You had a nice day at school.
Yeah, look.
Don't do that.
It's for high school.
Yes, here comes the weirdo.
Here comes the fat thing.
Caesar, leave him.
Leave him to the table, because you'll be naughty today. Won't you, Caesar? You'll be naughty today. I have to give you a big fat slap on your butt.
Well, that's not nice. Why did you have to slap him?
Because you went on top of the table, wasn't it?
What, he jumped on the dining kitchen table again?
Yeah.
Oh, well. So he had to smack his butt to move him.
No, because I went, "Oi!" and then he jumped off the table and then I slapped him. He ran upstairs.
Your bruise ready, Liam, by the
He
way.
ran back downstairs and I slapped him. Dad, is this day?
Yeah, but what you failed to remember, Liam,
It's going on Facebook.
everybody knows what you look like.